How's it going? Garrett with CSI. Today we're going to talk to you about our quick disconnect shock adjuster kit and how to install that. We've sold a bunch of these and people have had a couple questions on how to install them, so I just want to put a little video together. It's really a simple process, but we'll walk you through it step by step. So when you get your kit, you're going to get the piece that slides onto your cable, the actual quick disconnect part, the new style adapter that it hooks to, and then a bolt that goes through it, although you can use the bolt that comes out of yours unless you have a long bolt in there. So the first thing I like to do is you'll take a 3/32 Allen and you'll pull these set screws loose and slide one cable end off. And you can keep these cable ends because that's what goes on the cable end here goes on the opposite side for the knob. So handy to keep these in your toolbox in case you ever need it. If you pull that off and your cable is a little burred up, just a sanding drum on a little Dremel, you can go around that and clean it up. This is a new cable, so it slid on really easy. So you want to make sure that's pushed all the way on. Again, a 3/32 Allen wrench. Snug them. So I have this loose, but you could do that while it's on your race car, right? You don't have to take the whole cable out of the car to do it. Just pull that one end off. If there's any burrs on the cable, around it with a Dremel with a sanding drum, slide the new quick disconnect piece on. So now your cable's ready. On the shock itself, we're going to take this older style 2-prong off and put the QD style piece on. So the easiest way we've found is if you hold this with a 7/16 wrench, those ears fit in there just perfect on this style. And we do put a little red Loctite on there when we install these so they don't come loose, so it might be a little difficult at first. Just spin that guy off. If when you take it out you have this shorter socket head Allen, you can reuse it or you can use the new one that's in the kit. You'll pull this out, set that aside, and you'll drop the new one down in there. And on the new style, a 9/16 is the good size to hold it. The main reason you want to hold it is so as you get it tight, you're not bottoming out the driver and the shock eye, which then can be difficult to loosen. A little drop of red Loctite when you reinstall this will be helpful so it never comes loose. But since it is such a small screw, a little bit goes a long way. So that's good and tight. Now, when you go to put your QD on, you will want this at full soft, so back it all the way out. If it's screwed all the way in, you can't get it snapped on, but you'll be able to screw it all the way in once you get it snapped on. So screw it all the way out, and then this literally just pops in and locks in, right? Then you can adjust it all the way in, and you can see that's secure, right? You can't get it off when it's all the way in, so that's nice. The first few turns of adjustment, there's no way physically for this to come off. You got to back it all the way off to get it out, and then you can go about it. So really simple. Probably take you less than 10 minutes to change all 4 ears out to the quick disconnect style. This is short enough that you can get your helper spring and your coilover kit over, so that's really nice. And this quick disconnect style works on everything except for the XT shock. The XT, the adjusters are so close together. When we designed that, we didn't have this quick disconnect in mind, and you just can't quite fit it on there. But every other model of shock we make, you can use that on. You can also use this on any style of AFCO shock.